If you're considering upgrading your home's windows, awning windows are a smart and practical choice for many Coppell homeowners. Known for their top-hinged design and outward opening style, awning windows offer excellent ventilation, protection from light rain, and a clean, modern look. Understanding what to expect during the installation process can help you feel confident and prepared as you move forward with this home improvement project. Initial consultation and window selection. The awning window installation process typically begins with an in-home consultation. During this visit, a professional will evaluate your existing windows, take precise measurements, and discuss your goals for comfort, airflow, and appearance. Awning windows are often installed in bathrooms, kitchens, basements, or paired with larger fixed windows to enhance ventilation. Homeowners in Coppell can expect guidance on frame materials, glass options, and design details that complement their home's style. This step ensures your new awning windows are customized to fit your needs and the specific layout of your home. Preparing your home for installation day. Before installation day arrives, there's usually minimal preparation required on your part. Clearing space around the window area and removing window coverings helps ensure the process goes smoothly. Professional installers take steps to protect surrounding floors, furniture, and walls to minimize disruption and keep your home clean. Most awning window installations are completed within a single day, depending on the number of windows being replaced. Homeowners appreciate how efficient and straightforward the process is when handled by experienced professionals. Removing the old window on installation day. The first step is removing the existing window. Installers carefully detach the old frame and inspect the opening for any underlying issues, such as moisture damage or gaps. Addressing these concerns before installing the new window is essential for long-term performance. Proper preparation of the opening ensures your awning window will fit securely, operate smoothly, and provide consistent insulation once installed. Installing the new awning window. Once the opening is ready, the new awning window is set into place. Installers make sure the window is level, properly sealed, and securely fastened. High-quality sealing materials are used to prevent air leaks and moisture intrusion, helping maintain indoor comfort throughout the year. Homeowners in Coppell can expect careful attention to detail during this stage. Proper installation ensures the window opens and closes easily while maintaining a tight seal when closed. Finishing touches and clean up. After the window is installed, installers complete interior and exterior finishing work. This may include trim adjustments, caulking, and final sealing to ensure a polished appearance. Once finished, the work area is thoroughly cleaned, leaving your home looking neat and refreshed. Installers also demonstrate how to operate and care for your new awning windows, answering any questions you may have about use and maintenance. Enjoying the benefits right away. Following installation, many homeowners notice immediate improvements. Awning windows allow fresh air to enter even during light rain, improve overall ventilation, and enhance the appearance of your home. Their design also makes them a great choice for spaces where privacy and airflow are equally important. For Coppell homeowners, awning window installation is a straightforward upgrade that delivers lasting comfort, functionality, and style. Knowing what to expect makes the process even easier and helps ensure you get the most value from your investment.